Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Before this whole lockdown occurred in my state, I did manage to get to a couple of craft stores, quite literally the night before, and picked up a few skeins of yarn. Now, I'm not 100% sure what to do with some of these, so I'm asking for your help in telling me what kind of knit or crochet pattern I should do with each one of these. Now, here's an interesting one I picked up. This one is called Stitch Studio by Nicole Supreme. It's really thick. Here's another really pretty one I found from Lion brand. I'm loving all the color changes and all the different stripes that occur. Now, I have no idea why I picked this one up because I'm really not sure what to do with it, but it was on sale, so I couldn't say no to it. Here's one by Red Heart called Dreamy, and it is so soft. All right, now this is cool. This is called Go for Faux Quick and Thick from Lion brand, and it's really, really soft. Probably maybe a little too warm for the summer and the spring, but I can definitely see something for the winter or fall with this one. I love this one. This is Lion brand's Mandala, Ombre, and you can see all the different color changes, and it almost has a little bit of a wash look to it. Now this one was in the clearance bin, so you know it's probably on its way out, but it's called Mandala Baby Yarn, and look at the gorgeous colors in this one. All right, I picked up this Red Heart, and I know a lot of people have used this one. It's called Huga, I guess that's how to pronounce it, and it's super soft. And again, here's another one I'm not really sure what to do with, but I couldn't help just get it. It's called That 70s Yarn. It's from Lion brand, and it's like a furry kind of yarn that's got all these psychedelic tie-dye type of colors. All right, and I picked up a skein of the Bernat Baby Velvet, and this is really neat. The color is gorgeous, and it's really soft. It's almost even softer than their blanket yarn, and it's thinner too, so you don't have to use the really thick blanket type of yarn to make something that's really fluffy. And here's one I picked up just to see if it really does what it says. It's called ZZ Twist, and it's by Lion brand. And supposedly it's supposed to be better when you're crocheting because of the twist of the yarn. We'll see. And here's another one that I picked up. It's called Feels Like Butter. And I've gotten a lot of requests to design something using this yarn because it's very soft and it feels lightweight. It is a worsted weight yarn, but it's really, really nice and soft. I can even see this being used in the spring or the summer. Okay, you gotta admit, this one's a cute yarn. It's called Amigurumi, and it's by Red Heart. And it's designed so that you can make little crochet toys. Now this is a super fine yarn, and it's 100% acrylic. The colors are really rich, and they're very pretty. Okay, how cute is this yarn? This is from Hobby Lobby, and it's called Yarn Bee Sugar Wheel Cotton Mini. These are the types of yarn cakes that I like to cut up the colors and separate them and then use them in projects. All right, now that you've seen my yarn, please help me decide what to do with some of this. What kind of patterns would you like to see? Knit or crochet or even loom knitting ones? I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia, and thanks for watching.